To become a DoorDash Dasher in 2025, you must meet several basic requirements. First, you need to be at least 18 years old with a valid driver's license and current auto insurance. You'll need access to a vehicle, which can be a car, bike, scooter, or even walking in select areas. Additionally, you must have a smartphone with iOS 13 or higher, or Android 6.0 or higher. Finally, you must pass a background check, which typically takes between 2 to 7 business days to complete. Once you meet these requirements, the setup process involves 5 key steps. Let's walk through each one. Step 1. Download the DoorDash Dasher app. This is separate from the regular customer app and is specifically designed for drivers. Step 2. Complete your profile setup. You'll need to provide personal information, tax details using a W-9 form, and your banking information for payments. Step 3. Provide your vehicle information, including registration and insurance verification details. Step 4. Wait for your background check to complete. This process typically takes 2 to 7 business days, during which DoorDash will verify your driving record and criminal history. Step 5. Receive your activation kit. This includes a physical red card for certain orders and an insulated delivery bag. While the bag is optional, it's highly recommended for maintaining food quality during deliveries. Once you complete these 5 steps and your background check is approved, you'll be ready to start dashing and earning money with DoorDash. Your first step as a new Dasher is scheduling your dash time. You can either schedule in advance or work during Dash Now periods when demand is high in your area. Strategic positioning is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Focus on high-demand areas like restaurant clusters, shopping centers, and busy commercial districts where orders are most frequent. When you receive an order, you have 45 seconds to review the details and make a decision. Look at the restaurant name, number of items, total distance, and payout amount before accepting or declining. Once you accept an order, navigate to the restaurant using the in-app GPS or your preferred navigation app. Confirm the order details with restaurant staff and check items when possible before heading to the customer. To maximize your earnings, follow the minimum dollar per mile rule. Aim for at least $1.50 to $2 per mile to ensure profitable deliveries. Work during peak hours for maximum efficiency. Lunch rush from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner rush from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. typically offer the highest demand and earning potential. Professional customer service increases your tip potential. Communicate proactively about delays, follow delivery instructions carefully, and maintain a friendly, professional demeanor. Finally, track your expenses using apps like Stride or Everlance for tax deductions. As an independent contractor, you can deduct mileage, phone bills, and other business expenses to reduce your tax liability. Following these strategies will help you maximize your earnings and build a successful dashing experience. Focus on profitable orders, work during peak times, provide excellent service, and track your expenses for tax benefits.